Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abby. In today's video, I thought it'd be a fun idea to do an artsy vlog. I am a very creative person by nature. I've always been pretty creative. My mirror is really messy. Guys, I decided to do my makeup. I ran out of storage, so it kind of cut off in the middle of me doing it. But I wanted to kind of like do an artsy vlog. I used to do my makeup all the time when I was younger. Like freshman year, I'd come home, like I had an early study hall. I'd come home and do my makeup, and I just kind of want to embrace my inner child. So I decided to do like a blue eyeshadow look, which I'm gonna go to Five Below and get canvases. So yeah, and I think brown looks really good with it. Here I am just painting. I am painting with my one friend. She's next to me. Our paintings are totally different, but pretty much my idea was to kind of like make a road, and whenever I do paint, I always end up kind of making it trippy, not intentionally. It's just like, I guess, my style of art or what I do. But pretty much right here I'm doing eyes, and then it's gonna be like a road that leads into nowhere. If you guys ever seen SpongeBob, you'll know what I'm talking about. And then also the quality on this clip is not the best because I used my old camera from like 2014, because if I used my phone I would have took up so much space and it would have cut out, so that's why the quality is not the best. But yeah, I'm just painting here and I'm going to shut up so you guys can watch it. In this clip, now I am using air dry clay. I am making a bowl. Well, it's supposed to be like a jewelry holder, but it's a little small. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. This was very fun. I like using air dry clay. I started getting into air dry clay, I would say, this year. The only thing that I would have done differently here is I painted it when it was still wet, and you're supposed to paint it when it's dry. So the paint did start, like, it did come off, but it still looks good. Like, overall, I am very proud of this piece for one of my like first ever air dry clay things I made. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Until next time.